Good morning, TV fam. Day 2 ng ating Shangri-La Cebu Mactan Escapade. So, anong oras na ba? It's 6 in the morning. And bakit tayo maaga? It's because magbe-breakfast tayo sa baba. No? Papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung buffet breakfast nila that comes with the room package na nakuha namin. Yan. So, yes. Breakfast is between 6 a.m. to 10:30 in the morning. And then Team Philippines is already up. Morning, Clark.
Good morning. I just having to get games.
Hi. Good morning. Morning, Cal.
Morning.
Yan. Kanina ina-expect ko madilim pa. Pero gusto ko sana maabutan yung sunrise eh. Hindi ko na naabutan. Na-miss ko. At maliwanag na sa labas. Ito na yung tide. So pagbaba namin ng elevator, ito na kagad yung restaurant. In fairness, madami na rin taong gising para mag-breakfast. So tinatap yung room key dun sa machine niya, tapos papasok mo yung room number. So hindi ko alam kung anong process doon. Siguro to validate kung ilan yung kasama doon sa buffet breakfast. Ito na yung breakfast, guys. Buffet breakfast. Oh, good morning, good morning. Tignan muna natin kung anong laman. Ano to? This is soup. Soup station. You have a hard-boiled egg. Oh, ito. I'm pretty sure this is dim sum. It's dim sum. Oh, yeah. Oh, no corn. Sweet corn. Plain congee. And then you have champurrado there. Kung sa inyo na hindi nakakaalam kung anong champurrado, this is champurrado. Vegetable lasagna. Oh, they have pork. Lechon paksiw.
I want fries.
Okay, you're gonna get fries. Duck dorita. Yeah, must be Korean, no? Must be Korean. And what else do we have here? Beans. Hash brown, corned beef. Oh, corned beef looks good. Pineapple glazed ham. Oh, parang Christmas ham, no? Pineapple glazed ham. We have chicken sausage and Italian pork sausage. Yeah, steamed potato, hard-boiled egg, and then omelette station. What else? Ooh, ito Japanese. Vegetarian maki roll, assorted, and then ano to? Noodles. You have seaweed salad. Yan, sa mga gustong ng mga veggies, kimchi, cucumber, and then I guess this is cold cuts. You have milk. You have milk. Yogurt.
Okay, Clark, they have
Wow.
milk. Look, they have milk here and
And then juice station. Oh, diba? Daming choice. Wow, mangoes. Sana matamis. Pancake. Okay. Taho. Yes. Good morning. Taho, no? Taho?
Yes, po, sir.
Taho. Okay. That's good. Danish. Oh, nice. And then muffins. Wow. Oh, gusto ko yung ensaymada. Alam na yung pupuntahan mamaya. Oh my goodness. Bread pudding. Ooh. Kalamay. Suman. Just looking at it, nakakagutom talaga. So, umpisahan na natin. Kuha na tayo ng pagkain natin. Simula tayo dun sa soup station. So, ito yung kinuha natin. You're having snack? Yeah. So, umuha tayo ng paksiw. Yung sweetened ham. Poached egg. Corned beef. Maki. Yan na yung parang pinaka-rice natin. Tsaka dalawang bread. Patikim-tikim na lang talaga tayo. Okay guys, part ng dessert ng breakfast natin is may kasamang ice cream. So happy na naman tayo. At nakakain tayo ng paborito natin. So ito yung ice cream ng Manila Creamery na binibenta din nila dito sa Shangri-La Hotel Mactan. Hindi ka naglagay ng topping? Ayun. Okay guys, meron din silang gantong sistema. So ito, pagkatapos ka na sa breakfast, kailangan mo siyang i-flip sa table. Like that. Para alam ng mga server na liligpitin na nila yung mga plates nyo. Kagabi nga, merong live entertainment or performance doon sa lounge yung kinainan namin. It starts daw kasi at around 7. Was it 7 or 8? 7? So, maaga kami agad pahinga. Kasi nga parang medyo semi-jet lag pa talaga kami. Maaga natutulog, hindi maaga nagigising. Akit lang kami sa taas para prepare, change sa swimming attire. Kasi mag-beach tayo. Sama namin kayo. Medyo napansin lang namin sa room namin is yung kalampag nung mga, I guess, guests sa taas. Medyo naririnig mo. Feeling ko may bata kasi kaya medyo ramdam mo yung pagtalon, pagtakbo. Pero other than that, nakatulog naman kami na maayos with no problem. Currently around 8 in the morning. And then, yeah, sa snorkel tayo at saka we'll see what more we can do sa beach. Right, Clark?
Yeah.
Yes. Ayan, so ito yung walk going to the beach. Pamansin nyo, andito yung pool. Yung pinuntahan natin kahapon. And then, nandun sa kabila yung pavilion. And then, morning. And then, doon sa pupuntahan natin, nandoon banda yung Buko Bar. Nakinainan din natin kahapon. Mamaya ka, laro tayo ng chess. Yeah? Okay. Yung chess, yung malaking chess board. Ito pala yun. Yan, lalaruin natin yan mamaya. Good morning! O, diba? Friendly lahat ng mga tao dito. Kaya sa mga Cebuano na nanonood sa ating channel, maayong buntad sa inyong tanan. Good morning. Sana tama yung nabanggit ko at nasabi ko sa inyo. Ayan. Uy, ganda naman ng view dito. Look at that. Saan makita niyan? And then yung araw. Wow. Ganda. Maganda yung ginawa nila dito. Picture perfect nga kumbaga. Medyo madilim yung cloud sa right side, oh. Sana in passing lang. Kasi yung schedule natin ng jet ski is around 9:30 pa. So 1.5 hour pa tayo mag-aantay. Yung clouds, oh. Medyo dark. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Pwedeng kumuha ng 4 towels?
Certainly, sir. Naman ko na kayo, sir?
Sorry? Okay. Sige, thank you.
Where do you prefer to sit?
Here lang naman, yeah. Yeah. 9 o'clock pa ang jet ski, no?
Yes, sir. You have the booking for
Yes,
9:30, sir?
9:30.
Yes. So, if ever naman, nag-start na ng pababa yung staff namin, so if mababa siya ng early, pwede naman kayo.
Okay, sige, sige. Okay, thank you.
So, you will see the jet ski, the red ones po, will be parked in this part po.
Okay. And then may limit ba kung saan pwedeng makapunta?
Actually, sir, we advise lang po as long as you've been visible every 5 minutes.
Okay.
Guide, kasi yung guide will be at that area.
At that area?
So, you can go beyond that side.
Okay.
Side. As long as every 5 minutes.
Nakikita kang dumadaan.
You can just pass by ng konti, tapos balik na naman.
Okay.
At least we know that you are okay and the jet ski is okay. Kasi minsan po, there are times na mag-engine failure or may makakain yung jet ski na mga garbage sa dagat.
Yeah.
So, nag-off siya automatic.
I see. Okay. Okay, thank you.
After within 7 minutes, 8 minutes, pag hindi kayo nakita,
pupuntahan na.
Someone, yeah.
Look for us. Okay. Thank you. Yes, sige please. Hi, come on, go here under the sun. There. Yeah, sit down here. nakapunta na tayo ng snorkel gear set. So yun yung isa sa mga advantage nung Shangri-La Circle membership. Pag nagpa-member ka, walang fee yun, mag-register ka lang. Name, email address, each member will be given a voucher. And yung voucher na yun, equivalent sa pag-rent mo ng kayak, itong snorkel gear set. So kapareho kanina, 2 hours, pwede mong split yon 1 hour, 1 hour each. So in-split natin para meron din si Joyce na gamitin.
Okay, let's just stay here then. Stand here.
How's the water?
I do water.
It's good. Ganda ng mag-swimming ng no? Sa private pool. Walang katawa-tawa. Lalo na kung maaga ka, yung iba malamang nagbe-breakfast pa. Kami pa lang yung una na nandito eh. Okay. Oh, low tide. Low tide tayo ngayon. So maya-maya lang mag-jet ski tayo. Nakikita nyo yan. Yan. Once open na. Hindi pa kasi open eh. Kaya medyo dito lang muna tayo. At relax lang muna. Guys, nakikita nyo ba ito? Tingnan nyo sa harap namin, no? Ang daming fish ray, oh! What?
Much later.
Ready? Huh? Boat. Here we go. Dito sa outside yung buoy. Huh? So pa outside ng buoy dapat. That's the buoy, right? The yellow. Yeah, the yellow. Yeah. And then, iwas daw sa bangka. So pag hindi ka left and right, so pwede lang tayo mag-left run outside the buoy. Ready ka? Kapit ka. Kapit ka. Go, go, go. Wow! Right away! Sige po, thank you.
Hold on.
You have to hold on, that's why. Yes, you Okay. Ito ba yung sinasabi lang, basta good drivers with lover?
Basta drivers with lover.
Bago ka na dahil ko pa nag-roller coaster dito. It's currently close to 6 p.m. at papunta tayo ngayon sa Tides Restaurants sa baba para salubungin ang, I think they make it festive eh. Parang hinahatid nila yung lechon sa pagkainan. So gusto natin masubaybayan yan. Medyo sunog-sunog tayo ngayon. At kanina medyo natagalan ng ating pag-swim. Sama namin kayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu nila ngayong dinner. Good evening! Okay. Chowder. Chowder yung meron. French onion soup. Thank you kay Kuya. Ooh! Cajun seafood boil. Oh. Wow. Oh, yung paella. Antayin natin. May lechon kayong parating, diba?
Yes po, sir.
And then, saan? Nandun, okay.
Okay. Ipapalit po sa ating pork sa chop dyan.
Yun nga, inaantay namin. Okay. Thank you. Fancied. Good evening. Provincial mushroom. Grilled chicken. Wala pa masyado. Mukhang inaantay pa yung main course. Uy, grilled Wagyu rump. Chicken. Grilled pork chop. Medyo. Ito si lechon, 645. Antayin natin yan. Prawn. Tandoori. What's this? Korean barbecue. Ooh, Korean barbecue. You have samgyeopsal. Thin sliced beef brisket. Classic with mashed potato. Uy, ano to? Eggplant fries. That's new. Uy, yun, binukas na ni Kuya. Mashed potato, pumpkin parmigiana with walnuts. Mga rolls. Ceviche. Ako, ito yung delikado, ceviche. O, meron din silang tuna and salmon. On cocktail. Cold cuts with sauce. Chicken liver, partek pate. Cheese, good evening. Of course, hindi mawawala yung pinuntahan natin kanina, ice cream. Ayan yung ice cream nila. You have chocolate, vanilla, ube, and strawberry. Mud pie. Creme brulee. Churros. Wow, churros. Ako, gusto ni Joyce yan, churros. Nandito yung Taho Station kanina, pero wala na ngayon. Sino kayong papalit? Fruits. Cheese, cold cuts. Wala na yung natin, croissant kanina na gusto. Sayang. Bread pudding. At saka yung native delicacies. Biko at sapin-sapin. Good evening! May halo-halo special. Oh, yes. Siguro ngayon kuha na tayo pa konti-konti kasi aantay natin yung parade ng lechon around 6:45. So, ito yung kinuha natin for now. Kuha tayo ng eggplant fries. You have a chicken. Yung parang beef brisket nila na thin sliced. Mashed potato. And then itong sea-boiled.
Cajun seafood boil.
Yeah, Cajun seafood boil na crab. Alimasag kaya tinikman natin. Kumuha tayo ng konting paella, tikman din natin kung okay siya. Kain tayo. Interesting lang to. Talong nila na ginawang fries. In fairness, masarap. Naman natin ng thin sliced beef brisket. Uy, masarap yun. That one's good. Ano siya? Korean barbecue. Uy, para ka nag-samgyeopsal talaga dito sa lasa. Sarap. Tingnan natin tong alimasag. Ni-request ko tong pang-crack nung sipit nung crab. Ayan natin. Good. Alimasag, guys. Anyway, tuloy natin tong pagkain natin. Masarap tong eggplant fries.
Sarap ng galbi naamoy ko.
Yeah, pati yung thin sliced beef brisket.
Manghang.
Medyo, pero masarap.
So good, Cal.
Sarap. Yung seafood boil. Alimasag. So, for info lang, yung price nila per head dito sa buffet is 2,800 plus. Hindi siya cheap, but may you get 25% off if Shangri-La Circle member ka. So, pag magpupunta kayo dito, make sure na mag-sign up kayo for membership para makapag-avail din kayo ng additional perk, which is 25% off doon sa kanilang buffet. Ngayon pala nagwa-warm up si Clark. Nagustuhan niya yung churro at saka yung mangga, and what's that?
Mud pie with calamansi.
Yeah, mud pie with calamansi. And the star of the night is coming out. The Lechon Cebu. The very popular Lechon Cebu is about to come out. Ayan, no? Ayan. Iaakit na nila. Doon pala galing. From that side. Ayan. Ayan. Nilagay na nila yung
Watch the parade.
Ayan. Nakita mo nyo doon sa area na yan. Uy! yan yung lechon. Kain na.
Sige, pagkakain na tayo sa bahay.
Ano? Ha? Yeah, let them get
Just
some.
get for us.
Parang ayaw kong lechon, naggali pa ako eh. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.